Hey guys, Sascha Vlogs here. I just got a new model train, and I'm gonna show it to you. I don't know why Jasper's playing with it, but can you give it to me? Okay, so I'll show you how it works. So it's got the power system here. It's upside down, so I'll just on the other side of it. So you just turn the wheel and it goes backwards and forwards. And the light on the front actually changes. And it's got number details. Now, as bad as it is to do, I'm just doing it. So it has the 5 different freight cars there. Well, actually, yeah, 5 of them, and then the actual drive unit. So I'm gonna see what happens if I put a little bit of piece of metal on it. Maybe it's an iPod. Let's see. Wow, it doesn't even short circuit. Wow, it doesn't short circuit. Oh, there it goes. It's short circuiting. Okay, so that's my new model train. That's show you here. It's this one, Atlas Trains. Okay, this is Sascha Vlogs. I'll just show you the train in motion here. Spin the wheel and shut off. Okay, bye.